Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Casting Call with Johnny Impreg. I'm your host, Johnny Impreg, and my special guest star today is our latest continuous advanced powertrain impregnation system we call the CAPI. Now, what do you do if you have over 400,000 blocks per year that need to get impregnated? You put them on a truck 400 at a time and send them across town to get it done on the outside, or do you do it yourself? Now, some of you may be saying, I don't have enough space. Well, in the amount of space, less than the amount of space it takes to stage the blocks to send them in and out, you can have a system like this on your floor. It can be integrated right into production with cooling tunnels, so it can go right from Impreg to leak test. It can be integrated with 100% traceability to the casting serial number and automatic part marking if required. This system is configured with a 90-second takt time that processes 2 V6 blocks per cycle, so it'll yield 78 blocks per hour. Completely automated through the impregnation, centrifuge, wash, rinse, and cure. So if you have a lot of blocks that need to be impregnated and you want the most cost-effective way to do it and have total control, this would be your system. If you have any questions, please hit me up on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or leave a question in the comments below. And as always, bye for now.